Creating a routine. This is very important. And I say that because everything in your life has a routine, right? Why not your hair routine? Sometimes we have a different schedule from person to person of when we do our hair. Some people wash their hair every day. Some people wash their hair every other day. Some people once a week. I've had people ask before, I don't know when my hair is dirty exactly. When would I put it on a schedule? When your hair is dirty and you need to wash it. A lot of times your hair will itch or it's not as full of body as you would like it to be. So pay attention to what your hair and your scalp are communicating to you about when it's cleaning time. It may just feel heavy and not clean. Once you get into a routine of having a schedule for your hair, listen to your hair. It'll let you know. One of the important things about cleaning your hair is finding the right shampoo. This can be challenging, but with type 4 hair, the challenge is finding something that has lots of moisture, because that's what our hair needs. We have that curly pattern or kinky pattern or that wavy pattern. So we have all those loops that moisture has to go through. So the more moisture we get into the products that we use, the better our hair will feel, the better our hair will thrive. So finding the right shampoo that has moisture. You want to select something that's going to help you manage your hair with manageability. So we're talking about combing through the hair. As much natural ingredients as you can put into your products or get into your products. I like using things with natural ingredients. Look for those natural ingredients in your shampoos. It takes something to make those products. And one of the things that I pay close attention to is chemicals that are in products that we use. Because while we're trying to look our best and take care of ourselves, we don't want to do more danger to ourselves by having chemicals in products that we use that are not good for us. When you think about your scalp and how your scalp is absorbent, it is very absorbent. So that's why the oils and the things that we may put in our hair, it will absorb into your scalp, which means that you're absorbing it into your body somehow, right? This is not a long list, but I'm sure there's more things that are in products that are harmful to us. But some of these things, I like to avoid when I look for shampoo, conditioner, anything that I would use on my hair. The company does not have to tell you what fragrances or what chemicals they put into it. They can say it's our secret thing and not tell you everything that's going into it. So that's why it's up to you to do your homework. I wrote just a little bit on each of them, and you can see some of the ways that they are harmful. The first one, sodium lauryl sulfate, it strips moisture and oils from your hair and your skin. So, we don't need that because we're trying to bring moisture into our hair. We don't want to strip it away from our hair. And sometimes you can see that if you use that type of shampoo, you can feel it in your hair, that your hair doesn't feel as soft or pliable. Then you got the parabens. Those have been linked to reproductive damage. And there's also been linked to breast cancer. And I was kind of surprised at that because those have been in products for years. But there was a study that was done and they found in a breast tissue sample, they found this product in there and it was linked to that. So fragrances, we talked about that. People like that smell, like when they're washing their hair, they like to know that their hair is getting clean, and somehow smelling flowers and all these other perfume type aromas means your hair is clean. That's not true, but that's the big deception. It's kind of therapeutic too. You're in the shower washing your hair and you smell these nice aromas. That's relaxing. But just be aware, polyethylene glycol, that's petroleum based, and for type 4 hair and for your scalp, it's not good to use petroleum on your scalp. So that's why I put that on the list, just because petroleum clogs your pores, and you don't want anything blocking your pores from breathing or not being able to absorb the things that you put in your hair that is good for it. So just be aware of those chemicals when you're shopping for hair products.